Hello, assalamu alaikum. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Today I'll show how to make a object by using Helix command in AutoCAD. So at first I'm going to draw, then I'm selecting the helix, then click on this point and the radius will be 0.5 and it will be length how much, it will be 35. Okay, then this distance I have drawn. Then I am going to select the circle and this circle will be drawn in this point and its radius will be 0.5. okay, done. Then I am going to select the shift command, click on this circle, enter, click on this path line. So the object is done. Thank you everybody for your cooperation, for your attention.